students, welcome to all of you. I am Professor Bhumi Patel from LG Institute of Engineering and Technology. I will teach you the subject PPS in this semester, and the full form of our subject is Programming for Problem Solving. So let's understand first the word programming. As you all might be aware of, humans have developed the machine, but they can't run automatically. So to make them functions, programmer needs to provide set of instructions to them. And that set of instructions, we can say that our program. So to develop such a program, nowadays there are multiple languages are available for a coding. For example, C, C++, Java, JavaScript, .NET, Python, PHP and lots more. Among all these, we are using C language for this particular subject, which supports some specific coding and syntax. Suppose if we want an Android applications, we can develop an Android applications, then definitely it can't be created using our C language. So our first question is why it's important to learn and start with a C language as a beginner. So the first reason for this is C allows us to understand how things works. C help us to learn the fundamentals of programming language like data type, variables, array, pointers, structures and much more. Now, suppose take one example for understanding this reason. In a mathematics, we are started learning with always number systems 1, 2, 3, 4 like. Then we solve addition operations, then we solve subtraction, multiplication, division, factorial and then complex problem. We are never thought of the mathematics learning process during our school days. If we have a good hands-on addition operations, then we can easily migrate to learn the multiplication, factorial and solve the more complex problem. But if you directly jump to solve the complex problem, then you are finding so many difficulties. You are facing so many complexity to solve it. The same principles applied here for a programming. So always before learning any advanced languages, we are always start with the basics of C language, which allows us to understand why we use this, when we use this. You can betterly knowing using C language. The second reason is what? C improves our programming skills. How to solve the problem. If you want your own logic, then you need a programming language to implement it. And programming language is nothing but one medium to solve the problem. So let's one simple example to understand. We are solving the same problem using advanced language Python, and we are using same problem solving using C language. Then what happened? By obviously using Python, it becomes very easy compared to C because it has a more inbuilt functions that you can directly use and run to solve the problem. But C has a limited functions compared to Python. So what happened? The advanced languages provides inbuilt libraries and functions more that you can directly use and run the program to quickly deploy the logic they are using, but they limits to our unique thinking and implementation skill. But C allows us, it facilitates us to create our own logic, own functions. So C is nothing but the programmer level language. We all are the programmer. We are starting in a programming. That means you are developing your own logic and functions. But the Python is an intermediate level. You can directly use that functions and run the program. What is the logic for doing this? You don't know. Clear? So C allows us creative thinking, logic reasoning and improve your skills. So beginner can improve your skills more by practice more and more using C. Now the third reason is what? C is a pioneer language to learn the other advanced language. Only the syntax is changed, but the logic for doing this is same. And the fourth reason is what? C is a faster in terms of execution time compared to another advanced languages. So our final conclusion is what? During our programmer journey, we are started always with a beginning level to intermediate level and then followed by the advanced developer. So it's very mandatory to learn the C language at the beginning stage. In our next lecture, we are solving another examples for a C and for our subjects. Thank you so much for listening this video.